Nirmala Sitaraman, Honorable Finance Minister, Government of India has kindly consented for inaugurations of 132 kV substations Mohanpur, 80,000 functional household tap connections FHTC, 132 drinking water supply scheme across the state, 3 water treatment plant Agartala, 7 constructions project under RIDF SPA in presence of Sri Biplab Kumar Dev, Honorable Chief Minister, Government of Tripura. Guest of Honor, Sri Jishnu Devarma, Honorable Deputy Chief Minister, Government of Tripura. Special guest, Sri Ratan Lalnath, Honorable Minister, Education, Law, etc. Department, Government of Tripura. You are cordially invited to attend the program. Venue, Mohanpur, SH Schoolfield. Date, 27 August 2021. Time, 3 p.m.